Did you know that there's a planet out there that can dissolve your body in less than a minute? Welcome to my channel. And today we'll be taking a look at some dangerous space facts that you wish you never knew. Number 4. Space is full of deadly rocks. Not only does space have deadly rocks, but also extremely hot gas clouds that can easily burn a spaceship or a satellite to a crisp. Just recently, a cloud of hot gas 3 times the size of our Sun was seen by a NASA satellite. It was around 180,000 light-years away. But even at that distance, the ultraviolet radiation from the cloud was strong enough to be detected by the satellite. If a spacecraft were to pass through such a cloud, it would be met with temperatures as high as 10,000 degrees Fahrenheit, hot enough to melt any spaceship almost instantly. Number 3. Supernovas. If you think that the biggest and the brightest stars in the night sky are beautiful, then hold that thought because it's time to blow your mind. A supernova is one of the most spectacular events in the universe. It occurs when a star explodes at the end of its life cycle, releasing more energy in a single day than the Sun will in its entire lifetime. The explosion is so bright that it can outshine an entire galaxy. Imagine standing next to a supernova just 600 light-years away. You would be met with temperatures as high as 100 million degrees Fahrenheit. At this temperature, even the strongest spaceship or spacesuit will melt and your body will be turned into ashes in less than a minute. Number 2. Black holes. One of the scariest things about black holes is their inescapable pull. Once something gets too close to a black hole, not even light can escape its grasp. This means that if you were to fall into a black hole, you would be completely trapped forever. Black holes are also incredibly dense, meaning that they have a lot of mass packed into a very small space. This makes them extremely dangerous, as anything that comes too close could be crushed to death. But perhaps the most terrifying thing about black holes is the unknown. We still don't know exactly what happens inside a black hole, or what would happen if you were to travel to the center of one. It's possible that you would be ripped apart and then scattered across the universe, or maybe you would be transported to another dimension entirely. Either way, it is safe to say that falling into a black hole would be one of the most terrifying experiences imaginable. Number 1. Neutron stars. Neutron stars are the collapsed cores of massive stars that have gone supernova. They are extremely dense and hot, making them incredibly dangerous to anything that comes too close. If you were to stand on the surface of a neutron star, you would be met with a temperature of 1 million degrees Celsius. At this temperature, your body would be vaporized in a matter of seconds.
Subscribe for more crazy and horrifying space facts.